guys, it's kktube and today we're unboxing fidget cube. So here's the fidget cube outside. In my window, here is it. We're gonna unboxing it. My father said this is now mine because he just wanted to play with this now. So I'm gonna play this now. I had fidget spinner, so now this is my another collection, my fidget cube collection. And so this is my fidget cube. I don't know what this looks like and the color I don't know. Let's open it. Open it up. Wow! Amazing! So wonderful. You hear that? That's why I'm playing with this. I like the color when it's gonna dirting it. I can see the dirt. I can't. Wow, it's so amazing. I got a there's a cat over there. The cat is there. And here is when you click there and there's that and you can roll it. And okay, let's read what's in the box. Okay, let me close the box here. Okay, it said click, spin, flip, glide, roll, and breathe. So that's it. This is our original fidget cube. It said work class home. That's amazing. So guys, thanks for watching my video for today, and we're gonna invite here. Peter is Peter. So here's the spinner. He can't step. So here's the member of our collection. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and please like and share and subscribe and like. Bye guys, see you next time in some fidget cube and spinner time, and cube yourself.